I probably am exhausting myself and talking about it, but I want to get as much out on my ideas about the electron and the positron as possible, because I want others to be able to reflect on it and see if they can actually further the ideas in the realm of, there's some of them that have access to electron microscopes and the electron tunneling microscope, and they can actually do these kinds of studies. But I'm going to make the suggestion that just as the proton contains the neutron, and the neutron is released from the proton at a certain orbit of the electron, which is captured in a certain quanta, and it's a statistical emergence. It does not always happen, but it does always happen if you get a certain number of the captures in the proton nucleus, then the neutron emerges. But I want to suggest that electron and positron are each nucleon and subnucleon to one another. So that, for example, in the future, when positrons are being analyzed under more sophisticated microscopes that will be created, physicists will be able to see the evidence that if you impinge enough light on the positron, the electron emerges. And if you impinge enough light on the electron, the positron emerges from it, which I have come to that conclusion on the basis of reflections on Einstein's 1905 photoelectric effect, and on Sternglass's theory. But I wonder in the future if it won't be seen that way, that the two are always exchanging and going, one enters the other, and the other one enters, the positron enters the electron enters the positron. So since Dr. Weinberg has set the pace for future production and engineering of particle colliders, and since he suggested that the future colliders will be colliders that cause the electrons to be pushed together, I'll suggest that will be one of the discoveries that will be made. That at the right energy, you will see that in the collision of an electron with an electron, they will divide into electron-positron and electron-positron, but they will divide and they will unite. They will divide and they will unite. They will divide and they will unite. And that oscillatory nature is fundamental to both electron and positron, and that is implied in the Sternglass theory.